Welcome to ChemREADY, where our passion for chemistry fuels our commitment to solving some of the world's most pressing challenges in water treatment, from developing cutting-edge treatment programs for sterilizing medical devices to harnessing the power of chemistry to create efficient steam for heating buildings. Our work is guided by the belief that chemistry is the key to system-wide sustainability and efficiency. At ChemREADY, we are dedicated to providing our clients with more than just water treatment solutions. We offer a comprehensive package of high-quality chemistry, unparalleled service, educational resources, and top-notch training. Our mission is clear. We aim to lead the industry as the primary provider of treatment solutions, supplies, and services for water and wastewater systems. Through our total treatment management programs, we empower our clients to not only design and improve their water quality processes, but also to validate them, ensuring a safe and compliant work environment. How do we turn this mission into reality? By providing an extensive range of chemicals, state-of-the-art equipment, hands-on service, expert consulting, and comprehensive training. Our ultimate goal is simple: to guarantee the highest level of service in the industry and to ensure the proper treatment of water from the moment it enters a facility to the point of discharge. If you're seeking a water treatment provider you can trust, ChemREADY is here to deliver the best solutions tailored to your unique needs. Transforming challenges into opportunities through the power of water and chemistry. Your water treatment journey begins with us. ChemREADY, the clear choice for water clarity.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at GetChemREADY.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.